Grammar Lesson 17. Let's learn something about time clauses today. Time clauses refer to the future, but they usually have present simple tense or present perfect tense. After these conjunctions, there is present simple or present perfect. The conjunctions are when, as soon as, after, until, before, while, and by the time. Let's see a few examples. I will call you as soon as I get there. You can see there is no future after as soon as. When I see him, I will let you know. Wait until he has gone. Before I go, I would like to say something. I will come after I have finished. We'll be done by the time you get there, and many others. If you want to express preference in English, you have many ways how to do that. You can use prefer. I prefer to do something rather than do something else. Or I'd prefer, I would prefer to do something rather than do something else. You can also say, I prefer doing something. Or, I prefer dogs to cats. Then you can use had better. Be careful, this is not would, it's had better, and it's usually abbreviated. So, I'd better go home. This means something like I should go home. It's recommended. I'd better leave now. It seems that they might fight together. So I'd better go home now. And then you have rather. I'd rather. This means what do you prefer? I'd rather go home now because I'm so tired. Or if you choose, cinema or theater. I'd rather go to the cinema. This means I'd prefer. But if you want something from someone else, then you have to use past. I'd rather you did it. I'd rather you went there, not me. And here, the means again would. I'd rather go home. I'd rather stay here. I'd rather you did it. Relative clauses. We use relative clauses to provide essential or extra information about the subject or the object. We use pronouns like who, which, that, what, why, when, and others to provide such information. The woman who is standing right there is just amazing. So the relative clause is who is standing right there. It gives us essential information about the woman. It's that woman who is standing right there. Those girls whose parents are not here were uncontrollable. I met John, who I hadn't seen for 10 years. All those places where he took me were fantastic. We use who only for people. We use that for both people and things, which is used only for things. We have defining and non-defining relative clauses. Defining ones give us crucial information. So there are no commas, the information is important for us and it's a part of the sentence. While non-defining have comma. This information can be omitted and nothing special would happen. It's just extra information, not so important. An example of defining sentence would be: the hotel that was recommended by Peter was excellent. And non-defining: the Clarion Hotel that was recommended by Peter was excellent. If something happened regularly in the past, repeatedly in the past, we can use used to or would. Let's see a few examples. I used to play tennis when I was a kid, but now I don't play it anymore. So you can see that you used to do it repeatedly in the past, but you don't do it anymore, or not in such intensity as you did it before. I used to play violin when I was a child, but now I don't play it anymore, or I play just occasionally. Or you can use would in a similar way. The dog would bark every day. It really irritated me. Or something used to be somewhere. There is a song, "There used to be my playground." So when I was a child, there used to be a playground, but now when I got there, there was nothing.